Hail is every driver's worst nightmare. Every hailstone is another dent and another expensive repair bill. Even from this angle, the footage is chilling. It's hard to imagine what the people on those boats were going through.
We better get out of here.
أول سيارة محمد يوصل هنا. أنا مصور فيديو.
Heavy rains in India during 2023 caused rivers to overflow, washing away countless homes.
Sometimes nature's fury is a response to human actions. That's what happened in Myanmar in 2024. The water reservoir at the top was used for water storage from jade mining, but an accident caused it to rupture, and the contents cascaded down the mountain, causing a terrible flood.
At first glance, this incident in Turin, Italy, looks like human error. But in reality, a powerful current ripped two boats from their moorings and carried them straight into a bridge. The moment these workers in Italy noticed signs of a rock collapse, they ran for their lives. Seconds later, nearly 350 cubic meters of rock came crashing down. Living beside a river sounds peaceful until your house becomes part of the river itself.
That's crazy how much stuff is just built up right there. Oh my.
This lava flow may seem slow, but it destroys everything in its path. During the 2018 eruption in Hawaii, residents watched helplessly as molten rock crept closer to their homes. Working in Antarctica isn't easy. Even a short walk between research buildings can become a battle against extreme weather. Detroit's freezing temperatures caused water pipes to burst, covering parked cars in thick layers of ice until they were frozen solid.
She's thankful. In Dearborn Heights today, this team from the city digging, salting, cold weather crew, showing off its teamwork that is making the dream work for Cheryl Fritz. That crew was pushing water and ice off the street. It is so cold, covering the cars instantly. As Cheryl tried to get out there to move them. Make no mistake, no defroster, no ice scraper was going to help free these vehicles from this ice. Dearborn Heights.
This is freaking cool, dude. Wow. This is actually dope. Oh.
It may look like an artist created this frozen town, but these are real houses coated in ice after strong winds carried freezing lake water across the shoreline.
This is crazy. Their windows are screwed. Look at this. Jesus. Wow. Oh my God. Sorry for being this is unbelievable.
This tsunami that reached California was triggered by an earthquake off the coast of Japan. Although the wave had weakened during its journey, it still caused around $26 million in damage.
right back up here if it gets sunny.
The roar of this landslide sounds more like a raging river than falling rock.
This is our house. Please save us before we float away.
The only thing worse than a flood is a flood during winter. In Boston in 2018, freezing floodwaters turned cars into giant ice sculptures.
This guy's gonna get stuck. What are you doing?
This terrifying nighttime flood struck Scotland.
Incredibil. Deci este absolut incredibil. Este un nor imens.